欢迎。My here, yeah. I finished my presentation is complete. Thank you for your time. Looking forward to you. Forward. Thank you for your time. For any. Looking forward to your contest. Interest. To know more about us. Contest. My it come to an ending. My presentation is complete. Thank you all for the time. Everyone.
Hello, everyone. So it's my honor to meet you. So thank you for participating. So we will get started in 3 minutes. So let's wait for it. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so hello everyone. Yeah, it's my honor to meet you. My name is Tate from Read Exhibitions. So today I will behalf of WEPACK show to say thank you for participating. So let's get started. So first, let me to give a brief introduction of our show. So let's get started. Okay, so hello everyone. So we will launch our next edition exhibition called WEPACK, the World Expo of Packaging Industry from July 13th to 15th. So we will do it in both offline and online. So about our offline show, here you can see we will launch our exhibition in Shenzhen World Exhibition and Convention Center. So it will have 6 halls combined with 7 different shows like Sino corrugated cells, Sino folding cartoon, Sino paper cells, digital printing, food pack and tech, InMat, and PackCon. So we will have 120,000 square meter exhibition space, and we have more than 1,200 exhibitors, and we can attract more than 100,000 visitors. They are mainly from China. And also besides that, we will also build an online platform for our overseas visitors participation. So now I kindly request you can scan this QR code and finish the registration for our online Sino corrugated cells and online Sino folding cartoon. So I believe at the time you can see more than 400 online exhibitors, but also you can interact with them. So I will give you several seconds so you can scan it and finish the registration. Okay, so now let's move on. So besides that, during our exhibition time, we also launched 6 hybrid programs. So like the online guide tool, Running Man, online matchmaking, and exhibitor interview, live webinar, and exhibitor live stream. Okay, so now I will pick 3 featured events just for your information. So the first one is online matchmaking. So it's a service is for the international visitors to find the right partners and the solutions based on their professions and needs. So this year we will have 500 sessions of themed online matchmaking meetings, and we will have 220 online audiences and more than 400 on-site experts involved. And next, we will launch online guide tools. It will lead by the professional hosts and the experts. So this year, we will have 4 themed guidelines for the Sino corrugated cells and 4 themed guidelines for Sino folding cartoon and 2 guidelines for digital printing. And we will have more than 60 experts involved. So, and also we'll be live streamed at Online Expo, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, and TikTok. So you can enjoy it at that time. So the third one is about Running Man. It's a very funny name. So it can help you to directly to contact with our exhibitors. Like if you see the live stream, you can just comment downstairs and you can just, our Running Man will run directly to our exhibitors. So you can just connect with them. Okay, so now I will give a brief introduction about our global corrugated.com. So according to the current situation, the global business can be managed smoothly like before. We have received a lot of requests from our exhibitors, buyers, agents, and overseas media partners to expect specific online trading platform in order to assist doing business without any restriction. That's the purpose we built this our global corrugated.com to serve the global corrugated business. It will be available this September. We will have a press conference on July 14th to release more details, and or you can just make comments. Contact us via this email at patrickgu.rxglobal.com. And now let's officially start our online roadshow. So before we invite the first suppliers to have the speech, I have some small tips for you. So we will release a poll after each session is finished. So maybe you can just finish the poll after each sessions. Okay. So if you have any suggestions, just be free and make comments on our chat box, or you can leave the questions on our Q&A chart. So our suppliers will spare no effort to solve your problems. Okay, so now let's welcome our first suppliers. It's from Foshan Fuli Packaging Machinery Company. So Foshan Fuli Packaging Machinery Company is a traditional and modern enterprise in designing, supporting, and manufacturing medium and this high-grade 3-layer, 5 layers, and 7 layers corrugated paperboard production line. So let's welcome Christina to have a speech. Okay, Christina, mute. Yeah. Christina, you please unmute. 袁总。你那个静音了。Christine， 袁总，您右下角看到那个标志吗？您看一下，你好像静音了。
啊，可以了。Yeah. May I share my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, yes, please in presentation mode.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah. And let's start. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Christina Yuan from Forsan Fully Packaging Machinery Company Limited. It's my great honor to be here on behalf of my company. Fully corrugated, fully okay. They are our brands for the high-speed corrugated cardboard production line. With 23 years experience specialized in the corrugated industry, that delights. This is our company history. Fully Corrugated was founded in 1999, 23 years ago. Within the last 23 years, we have made a lot of improvement, a lot of improvement and a lot of development. In year 2014, we moved into our new factory, and we have been develop our products with the machines with bigger and bigger websites, higher speed, higher automation, and more energy saving. This is some of our certificates and more than 100 patent rights for the corrugated machines. This is some of the honors from the industry as well as the local governments about our company and our products. This is the headquarters factory of Fully. We moved, the factory is located in Forsan City, Guangdong Province, South China, with the total area of 57,000 square meters. In this factory, we have full setup of the manufacturing facilities for the corrugated machine manufacturing. Here, this is some of the photo of the workshop. This is the workshop for the assembling units, like mirror stand, single phaser. And this is our workshop for the small rolls productions. And this is our CNC center. In this workshop, we have 4 sets of the five-phase machining center. They're from Toshiba, Mitsubishi, and Okuma. They are all the 5-phase high precision machining center. So we can process all kinds of machine parts being used in our machines. If you want to know more about my factory, you can see the following link. Here, there is the link for our factory VR, the video link for our factory tour, as well as the video link for our Fully OK series high-speed corrugated cardboard production line. This is our major products, corrugated cardboard production line. Till today, we have over 3,500 successful installations in domestic markets as well as the overseas markets. We can offer machines with web size from 1.8 meter to 2.8 meter. Machine design speed from 200 to 350 meter per minute. Here, there are some users case for our local customers. All around China, we have lots of corrugators users with different kind of level. You may find some of the users case video link here. About the overseas markets, let's first start from the Vietnam market. In Vietnam, there are more than 100 fully corrugated users. Here, this is one of the projects we just completed this year in North Vietnam. And then this is the Fully OK 2.5 meter 7-layer corrugator line installed in Vietnam too. And this also some other customers in Vietnam with smaller size. And this is our project, our installation in Myanmar. Our machines installed in Singapore. And here, these projects, our machines installed in Indonesia. And some other projects in Middle East and African countries. For example, we have running machines in Saudi Arabia, machine in Bahrain, Jordan, Egypt, Libya, Turkey, and Iraq. We provide turnkey projects. We will offer customer support from A to Z. Here you may find some of the comments from our customers. We try all the means to become a reliable machine suppliers. Nowadays, we know that the corrugated industry is becoming more and more competitive, more and more competition day by day. The customers are becoming more and more critical. Instead of the regular corrugated box, today we would like to share about our experience about some corrugators with special design, special application. We will roughly talk about 5 kinds of corrugators with special design. First is the pre-print corrugated cardboard. Second, the heavy-duty corrugated box like the AAA corrugated cardboard. Third is the 9-layer corrugated cardboard. 4 is the bamboo corrugated cardboard and the e-commerce corrugated box. Anyway, we provide turnkey. We provide tailor-made solutions for international corrugators. The first application is pre-print corrugated cardboard. For pre-print corrugated cardboard, I think it's not very new. In the last few years, it's becoming widely used in a lot of industries and products such as the beer box, milk box, shoes box. This kind of for this kind of box, the paper reel was printed before going into the corrugator line, and the finish of the cardboard is independent cardboard reprinting already. And for this kind of box, the major features is the volume is large, like the beer box and milk box. This kind of box is required daily, and the demand is the volume is pretty large. The constant demand. For this kind of box, there are few specifications. The size as well as the printing is very constant, less figures and less change in the figures and the size. The printing requirement is pretty high compared with the other kind of box, and quick delivery because the large volume demand, so customer always require for quick delivery. The second application is about the heavy-duty corrugated box, like the AAA corrugated box. We would like to share one of a customer case, one of the 2.5 meter 7-layer corrugator line installed in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. See, this is the figure of the paper being used in this customer's factory. They use the 440 top liner from USA, imported liner. And for the test liner, they use the 230 from 9 Dragon. For this kind of heavy-duty corrugated box, it's widely used for the industrial communication devices and components, and the automobile parts, high-end equipments, high-end furnitures, LED displays. And the margin for this kind of box is is much higher than the and the regular box. Compared to the regular box, the production should be a little bit less, but the margin is much higher. Now let's talk about the 9-layer. Maybe a lot of friends, they are not that familiar with the 9-layer corrugated box, but actually we do produce 9-layer light corrugated cardboard production line. This is the experience from one of our customers in Tianjin. They use our 2.2 meter 9-layer corrugated line. The box application of the 9-layer corrugated cardboard corrugated box is similar as the AAA box. Same like in industrial communication devices, components, automobile parts, high-end equipments, high-end furniture, LED display. But compared to the AAA boxes, the difference is for AAA boxes, the requirement or the paper applied is much higher. But the paper which being used for the 9-layer corrugated cardboard production line, the paper gram should be a little bit lower. So the paper cost should be less compared to the AAA box. The fourth application is fan-fold corrugated cardboard. This is also kind of a new technology from China. For normal corrugated line, the cardboard comes out from the production line is with the separate pieces of the cardboard from the stacker. But for the fan-fold corrugated cardboard line, the cardboard comes out in a stack and is continuously cardboard without cutting into pieces. This is one of our users case in Turkey. This is 2.5 meter, 5-layer corrugated line, fan-fold corrugated line. For the fan-fold corrugated cardboard production line, can produce the box for the corrugated packaging with irregular size. For example, the furniture boxes with the large size, the refrigerator boxes, the motorcycle box, bicycle box, and e-commerce courier box. Now let's come to the last one, e-commerce corrugated box. In the last few years, due to the pandemic, a lot of the e-commerce business is much more than before, and is more and more popular in a lot of areas. Here there's some kind of boxes for the e-commerce business. And we have a lot of customers who are focusing on the e-commerce box business. And we'd like to share about some features of the e-commerce boxes, like the large volume. And but for e-commerce boxes, the price is very low. The cost is very sensitive. And the delivery time of this kind of box is very short. And the demand is very seasonal. Maybe sometime like the 618 or some kind of the platform activities during the period, the demand is very much, but normally it's not that much. So for e-commerce boxes, there's no common standards, and every platform has its own standard and its own design. It's something more like the tailor-made boxes. Okay. Okay, I have completed my presentation. If you want to know more about my company and about our products, here you may find the contents of my company. You're welcome to ask more questions and contact us for more information about our company. Yeah, thank you. Thank you all for the time.
Yes, thank you, Christina. Okay, so now I will start a poll so that everyone can see it and finish it. Okay, so now
okay.
Yeah, please help me to finish it. Oh, Christina, I saw there is a question. So it's in the chat box. Maybe you can check and and solve the problems. Maybe. Okay, Christina, can you stop sharing the screen?
Oh, okay. Sorry, it's okay. I have stopped. It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so thank you for Christina. Okay, so now let's welcome. Yeah. Okay, so can you see the poll now? Okay. Okay, thank you for answering my question. So now let's welcome the second exhibitor. So she's from Xi'an Yinglong Super Hard Material Factory. So Yinglong Factory is a professional company with over 30 years of experience in manufacturing, sales, marketing, and new technology and products. Their main products are including grading wheels, high-speed steel, chrome steel with over 100 of types and more than 3,000 patterns. So now let's welcome Snow Lemon from Xi'an Yinglong Super Hard Material Factory. So Snow Lemon, can you open the camera?
Yes. For a moment, please. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you clearly.李小姐，你好，please open the camera.
Hello.
Oh yeah, I can hear you.
You can hear me, and for a moment.
Yeah, maybe you can share the screen.
But I can't open it.
You can't open the screen?
Yeah. Yes.
Can you see the green button?
Yes, I can see, but I can't open it. I don't know why.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that okay? Okay. You hear me and hello?
Yeah, I can hear you, but
Hello?
it's kind of stuck on your side.
Okay.
So maybe you can share the screen. This will be more fluent.
Is that okay now?
Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, clearly.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. This is No Lemon from Inlong Superhard Materials Manufacturing. I'm so glad and honored to introduce our company here. Firstly, please let me share a video about our company. Can you hear the video and
Yeah. Yes, I
see
can
the
hear the video.
Okay, but I can't hear it. Okay, thanks for your watching. And now, please let me show our PPT.
Yes, please.
For a moment, please.
Yes, I can see the screen.
Okay.
Yep.
For a moment. Okay, thanks for your watching. This is our company. Our company is Inlong Super Hard Materials Manufacturing. This is Nolaimo from Inlong. And our factory located in Bintong District, Xi'an City, Shanxi Province, China. We are a professional company with over 45 years of production. Our main products is slitting blades for corrugated machine and grinding wheels, including diamond and sieving grinding wheels for corrugated machine. This is our packages. We packed our blades and grinding wheels into individual box to keep the safety. This is our advantages. First, we have 45 years of productive experience, and we have 23 years of export experience. We have professional technical team, and we have skillful workers for production. We also have excellent sales team, so we can control our high quality and excellent service. We export our products to many different countries within 23 years old already. Our main products, our main customers from Indonesia, India, Malaysia, Philippines, and Vietnam. Our products to many different countries, and we win high reputation from our customers. So we want to expand our business in this area, and we want to expand our business in this area, and we also want to fund small engines in this area. So if you have any requirement about slitting blades, grinding wheels for corrugated machine, you can contact us by WeChat, WhatsApp, or email. This is our company information.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Snowlemon. Let's give a few seconds for your QR code, maybe, so that everyone can scan it. So now I will release our poll so that everyone can see it. So now let's get started our poll.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Please help me to finish it.
Oh, I can finish it. Okay, for a moment.
Okay, let's give a few seconds for our audience. So all the audience can help me to finish it. Snow Lemon, can you hear me?
Ah, okay. Now I can hear you.
Yeah,
Can you
yes.
hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. So thank you
Oh.
for your speech, and thank you for sharing. So I think a lot of people were curious about the materials and the grading wheels and about the cutting knives. So I hope everyone can finish our post. So thank you, Snow Lemon.
It's my pleasure. So now, what should I do? What should I do?
So maybe you can left a few seconds see whether there is someone with some questions.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I can left, right?
Yes. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm muted. Thank you for Mohammed. Yeah, thank you for reminding me. So, hi, Miss Lee. Can you hear me now? Hi, Miss Lee. Can you hear me now? Hello. So now everyone, maybe we can have a break time so that everyone can have the details for the previous two exhibitors. So now I will type the first two exhibitors in the chat box so that everyone can contact with them. Okay, so now time is up. Okay, so now let's continue. So previously, all the above you hear is related to the sino-corrugated cells. So now let's walk into the sino-folding cartoon. So from sino-folding cartoon, the first I recommend is an extremely qualified company called Masterwork Group company. So the company was founded in 1995 and at headquartered in Tianjin. At present, the company's business is mainly including printing equipment, manufacturing, medical equipment, production, and sales financial release services. The company has independently developed and completed more than 100 products in 7 major product series of bronzing machine, die cutting machine, inspection machine, folder gluer, digital printer, laser die cutting machine, and revenue printing machine. So now let's get started first with with Masterwork Group company. So with a video. Okay, so let me share the screen first. Let's wait a moment. Sorry, the video is muted. Okay, let's share it again. Okay, welcome back, everyone. So here, as I mentioned before, so I recommend Masterwork Group company because they are extremely qualified company. And also we have a deep depth with the Sino folding cartoon. So now let's give a great respect to the vice president of Masterwork Group company, Roy Xu, to have a speech. Okay, Roy.
Hello, good afternoon. Can you hear me?
Yeah, very clearly. Hi, Roy.
So first of all, greeting from Masterwork Group from Tianjin, China. And good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Roy Xu. It's my pleasure to introduce our company and our products to you. So I would like to share with you with our presentation, a short presentation. Now I share my screen. Can you see it?
Nope. Can you type the green button again? 你看一下屏幕下方有个绿
Okay.
大按钮。Yeah.
Yes. Sorry, I'm not very professional with the webinar.
So very
Okay.
clear now.
I suppose now you can see my screen, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, let me have a very short introduction of our company. And you can see the overview of our new industry estate, which we moved last year. We moved in last year. And then from the overview, you can see our major manufacturing center and some like our high-mast joint venture with Heidelberg and our R&D center and also a pilot smart factory. Okay, now the highlighted area is our new headquarters. And inside this is our office building. And of course, our R&D center is also located in this building. And currently we have around 150 R&D colleagues working with us. And we have another R&D center in Germany, in Neuss, which we taken over from Heidelberg. Then here is our marketing and showroom. And our canteen for staff and also for our customers. This is the views from different sides and aspects. This is our brand new showroom, and inside the showroom we present several solutions for the printing and packaging market. The first one is our dedicated solution for tobacco printing, packaging. And the second one is for our general packaging, especially for the post press. And another one is for our digital solution, including our laser die cutting machine and our variable data printer, and also with some small machines. And the last one is a production line for corrugated board. And this is our grand media center. And here is we are very proud that we have so great CNC center with around 100 tuning machines inside. So that means we can produce the major core components by ourselves, so that we can also guarantee the high quality. And here shows joint venture with Heidelberg, Masterwork Heidelberg. So the company is Master. And you can also see from these slides that we have the world-class CNC like Global GA 550, and also from DMG and Helen. And here we focus the production for the high-end parts for Heidelberg offset printing machine, as well as for MK Masterwork die cutter hot stamping machine. This is our assembly line for the sheet-fed products, like our traditional die cutting, blanking machine, and hot stamping, inspector, and fold gluers. This is a picture show how our staff, our colleagues, to assembling the machine. And in 2015, we achieved an agreement, technology transfer agreement with Charity from Italy, so that we start the production of Gravure printing machine in China. This printing machine model is especially for the tobacco printing and for non-run. And here we show the web-fed assembly area. Since we produce the sheet-fed solution, post-press solution, we also have the web-fed solution. Not only the printing machine, I just presented the Gravure printing machine, and here we have the post-press web-fed solution, like the web-fed hot stamping machine and the web-fed die cutting machine. To demonstrate our latest technology, we also set up a factory we call Smart Factory, like a benchmark for the printing industry. So this is the printing workshop with MK Gravure printing machine. And of course, we also have Heidelberg sheet-fed offset printing machine here. And then this is the post-press workshop with Masterwork hot stamping machine, blanking machine, like die cutting and blanking machine, and inspection, both sheet-fed and web-fed solutions. And we are not only produce machines, but we are also we also built up very strong service capability. And here shows our spare parts inventory, spare parts warehouse. This is dedicated for our service department. So we made a clear card for our production and our service. We have quite a lot spare parts inventory, great inventory inside, so that we can provide spare parts in very short notice. And here shows the automatic warehouse. This is for our production assembly line. So consists from several auto warehouse. This is for the pallet warehouse, and the previous one is for the small case pallet. Okay, our great service team. We have service station in all over China and also Japan and UK and Germany, Slovakia. And because of the very strong partnership with Heidelberg, we have the service capability worldwide. So Heidelberg service team, they have dedicated post-press service team to serve our customer worldwide. This is the overview of our headquarters. That's all. That's my introduction of our company and the very simple introduction presentation of our products. Thank you. So if there's any question about our company as well as our product service, please feel free to bring it up.
Yeah, thank you for your presentation, Roy. So I mentioned that I noticed that there are some questions is already appeared in our chat box and in our Q&A box. So can you give me a few seconds to ask you these questions? So one of our audience, they say, "Hi Roy, do you have any agents in Malaysia?"
Okay, very good question. Because since 2014, we achieved a global agreement with Heidelberg, partnership with Heidelberg. So we do have agent in Malaysia. That means Heidelberg.
Ah, okay. So,
but you know, the agreement with Heidelberg limited on the GS certificate machine models. But MK has wide range of products portfolio, so we still have lots of other machines with CE certificate, which is out of the Heidelberg global agreement. So we are open for any new opportunities and agents.
Okay, so I believe that this audience will maybe contact you after this meeting. Yeah. Okay, so another question is about, do you sell any hot stamping machine in South Africa?
Actually, yes. Because our partner Heidelberg has the subsidiaries in South Africa. So in the past few years, we delivered several machines, so hot stamping machine and blanking machine to South Africa. And at least for the time being, we have several hot projects under negotiation in South Africa.
Yes. Okay. Thank you. That's a great information. So another one, I think it's the final question. So before we launch this online roadshow, we have a lot of requests from our audience. They say the digital printing will be the printing innovation, and the digital printing will be the future. So this audience says, any digital printer equipment, maybe in the future or right now?
Yes, right now. Since we served in this printing industry for many years, so we definitely know the future development of the printing industry. So from 2011, we started the R&D investment on digital printing. And so our first product is QR code printer. That means variable data printer. And we sold quite a lot machines to the tobacco printing industry, because this is a typical situation in China. The cigarette box means QR code or means barcode. So we produced such machine more than 10 years ago. And we have several generations. The latest generation, we have sheet-fed solution and web-fed solution and inline data printer with the web machines. And of course, we also developed the real digital printing machine. This is for the commercial or the publication industry. So with double side black printing, just one color, two colors. And we are developing 4+4. That means CMYK, that is the front side, and CMYK, it's back side printing, sheet-fed printing. So I think in the future, we will also develop web-fed 4x4 digital printing machines. And they also benefiting from the cooperation with Heidelberg. You know, Heidelberg also developed the digital printing machine, Private Fire and Westfire. So we have very strong connection with Heidelberg to develop the digital printing.
Okay, I got it. Okay, that's a great information for all our audience. So I would like to announce that if everyone is watching this video, is watching the live show, please just connect with the Masterwork Group company so that you can get more details. So thank you, Roy. So thank you for your presentation. I think this is all of your part.
Thank you.
Okay, so can you stop sharing the screen?
Yes, I should stop earlier.
Yeah. Thank you, Roy.
Okay, thank you. Just.
Okay, so now that's a great speech from Roy and also from the Masterwork Group company. So now let's welcome the next exhibitor. So just previously, it's because the networking. So now let's welcome Michael from Guangzhou Taishen Cartoon Machinery Company. So Guangzhou Taishen Machinery Company is located in Guangzhou City, where with advanced machinery manufacturing industry and convenient transportation. So International Airport to the east and the high-speed train of Guangzhou North Station is a Sino-Taiwan joint venture professional of corrugated board machinery research and development. So now let's welcome Michael. Let's give a speech. Okay, Michael, can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Yes. Okay. So now I will share the screen and you can give us a speech. Is that okay?
Yeah. It's my turn. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Could you please turn off the BGM? Could you please turn off the BGM?
Yeah. It's in your PowerPoint, right? Okay. So
okay.
To check. Okay.
It's okay now?
Yes.
Okay, at first, please allow me to introduce our company. Okay, my name is Michael. I'm from Guangzhou Taishen Cartoon Machinery Manufacturing. And our factory is located in Guangzhou City. That is a very beautiful city. I think many persons should have a good visit and traveled in Guangzhou City. And our company started this business since 2003, and our company was established since 2013. So we have 19 years experience of the flexo carton machine producing. And from the producing of the first manual flexo carton machine to the full automatic high-speed HD flexo carton machine and a large rate of delivery and production, our company step by step continues innovation, keep space with the times. And as the one second. Until now, our equipment has covered many provinces and cities in China and more than 30 countries all over the world, including Asia countries, Africa countries, European countries, and American countries. From the PPT, we can see we participated in many exhibitions all over the world. We can see the photos that many customers. Now, this is some photos of our workshop. We have almost 12,000 square meters workshop and office building. And we got 50 workers right now in our manufactory. Most part of our machine parts are produced by ourselves. Here we can see some photos of our workshops, some parts warehouse, and parts producing workshop, and machine fixing workshop. We have more than 10 professional after-sales service person and almost 12 professional technician, research and development person. Now, let me introduce some MEM machine, some MEM types of our products. Our products can be separated by 3 types. The first one is TS case maker. This machine realizes automatic feeding, printing, slotting, die cutting, and stitching, packing. It can save labor. Improve efficiency. It's current, large, comprehensive orders and favored by the high intelligent automation, high-end equipment. You can see from the feeding to the printing, to slotting, to die cutting, to the photo gluer. From the beginning, can finish all the working procedure by one time. The second one is full automatic full vacuum transfer, HD flexo carton machine. This machine adopts air pressure principle. Especially, it is suitable for full plate printing and white top coated paper printing. This machine can be used for produce like biscuit boxes and milk boxes, beer boxes. The third one is TSG2M, full vacuum transfer, non-crush flexo carton machine. This is the main product and the best sales product in our manufacturing. And the first one is TSV3, full automatic high-speed flexo carton machine. Now let me introduce the details of TSG2M, full vacuum transfer, non-crush flexo carton machine. This best sales product in our company. You can see this is a this is a feeder unit of the machine. It is different from the traditional design of the normal feeder. Instead of the 2 sets pushing ruler, we adopt the suction box to transfer the paper. It can directly transmit paper. This is details of the design. The vacuum air suction paper transfer principle adopt in the back-end paper transfer bellows, which can completely retain the original value of the compressive strength of the cardboard. This is the printer unit. Instead of the normal suction box, we use a small one. It can save the power of the electricity. This is slaughter unit. Okay, I think the PPT finished so quickly.
So
That's
thank you.
okay.
Yeah, thank you, Michael. Because I mentioned that I noticed there is a question in the chat box, so maybe I can raise it to you. Hope you can hope you can solve it. Is that okay? So
yes, no problem.
yeah, there is one audience says that which products are the most popular and well used in Asia?
Oh, actually, that what I introduced the most the TSG2M type full vacuum transfer non-crush flexo carton machine is the best selling. Is the best selling, and and it is more popular in Asian countries. So many of our customers choose this because of the design of the feeder parts. As you know, as the traditional design, when the cardboard pass from the pushing ruler, it will be pressed by the pushing ruler. So the normal design of the corrugated paper will be changed. But if adopt our suction box design, this problem will be solved. So many customers choose this TSG2M type.
Okay, I got it. So they mentioned another problem. That question is also is a great problem to all the suppliers, especially under the pandemic issue. So they say how to deal with the after sales service now in Asia or in India.
It's no problem. We have very professional service team in different countries like India, Vietnam, Malaysia, Thailand, and you know, the many customers are very satisfied to our service because we have very professional team in different countries.
Yes, because they mentioned the installation. So because you know the pandemic issue, the travel ban is really hard for us to go out. And the technical person,
especially during this pandemic period.
Yes.
So most of the persons, it will be problem to travel all over the world. So many technicians cannot be sent to other countries to do the service. But that is not a problem to our manufacturer because we have very professional service team in different countries. They can give the service to the customers at the first time. So it is not a problem to the customers. Don't worry.
Okay. Thank you, Michael. Thank you for your time and thank you for your presentation. I think there will be solved a lot of problems, especially before we launch this online roadshow. We received a lot of email from our audience. They say, "Oh, how to? I hope this online roadshow can solve our problems. How to do the after sales service, especially installation." Yes. Okay. Thank you, Michael. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so now everyone, that's a great speech from Michael. I think Michael and Guangdong Guangzhou Taishan have solved a lot of problems for us. Okay, so now let's welcome the next exhibitor. So Guangzhou Shensam Machinery Company. So Guangzhou Shensam Machinery Company is a leading supplier for post-print machinery with professional technology to produce and offer high-quality machines, involving machinery such as folding and gluing machine, die cutting machine, UV spot coating machine, film laminating machine, and so on. So owing professional team with years of experience, there is no doubt about our machine quality and the performance. Okay, so now let's welcome Adrian from Shenzhen. Adrian, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so maybe you can give us a speech, and maybe you can share the screen.
Okay. So hi everyone. I'm Adrian from Guangzhou Shenzhen Machinery, and today I'm going to introduce our company to you to let you know a brief introduction of our company. So share the screen first. Can you see this?
Yes, very clearly. Please go ahead.
Okay, so Guangzhou Shenzhen Machinery is located in Nansha District, Guangzhou City, China, and we are the supplier, or we have more than 10 years of experience for the supplying the high quality machines involving machinery such as folder gluing machine and automatic involved machine. And moreover, we provide quality assurance and complete after-sales service to pursue the goal of customers first and quality first. Also strive for a perfect role in the post-print industry. And the production team of Shenzhen Machinery also manufactures the folding and gluing machine for Nikko's Machinery Company, which is a very famous machinery supplier in Japan. The OEM machines are all according to Japanese technology and quality standard by Nikko. It is proof that the machines from Shenzhen Machinery are qualified to the Japanese market with international quality and sales standard. And also we have exclusive agents in Korea, which means all our machine can be customized with each customer's need. And here is our most popular products. It is called the Winner Series. It has 4 main features. The first is it has intelligent operation, which means it can be operated easy with friendly use UI and very easy to control. The second one is speed wave session, which means that the production can be finished in a high speed way with high stability. And also the whole machine can be customized with different demands. For example, if you want to make the 4 and 6 corner boards, then our customers can you can just add the section to the machine, so it can go through, it can finish the different parts. And here is the brief specifications for our machine. As we can see, the running speed is very high. We can do 350 billion papers per minute. And different carton boards are supported can be supported by using our machine. The normal ones like the streamline boards, the corner boards, and the envelope can be done. We have a special machine for the envelope. The features of our machine is the first one is the feeders. The highly reliable feeding can make sure each paper in the machine can be straightforward to send to the machine and be packaging in the last. And also we have the accurate breakings, and the conveyor can provide more flexible and time saving. And what made our companies outstanding by others company is that we have a great after sales service. The first one is technical service. Simpson Technical Service cover the whole process of pre-sale and after sales and customized service based on different characteristics and expectation of each customers. Which means if you send us the design of the boxes, and we can adjust the machine based on your requirements. The next one is training. Some of our customers is curious about how to operate the machine and how to set it up. And it is no problem because Simpson's experts can conduct different trainings by online meeting or videos. We help your employees better to understand Simpson's machinery to ensure high quality productivity. And the next one is the inspections and maintenance. We consider your equipment through detailed and accurate measurements and inspections. We provide you with all the equipment improvement, repaired, and maintenance instructions. Through our maintenance work, we can predict potential problems to help your equipment run smoothly and reduce the downtime, which can also increase the productivity. And moreover, our company has our own processing workshop, which means that we have a neat and orderly storage of spare parts. All of the spare parts of our machine are in full compliance with quality standards and ready to be delivered to all over the world at any time. And we guarantee the shortest delivery time and the best quality. Each spare part will be accompanied by spare part installations instructions. So if your machine of our customers needs to be repaired, or they need some specific spare parts, then we can make it by our own company and send it to you. The last one is our equipment can be upgrades and optimizations through the internet to provide our customers with the best quality equipment. Simpson manage online upgrade for your operating system for free. Yes, it's free. And more than 15 years of experience can enable us to provide the most professional improvement and optimization for the equipment according to your specific jobs. And the last one, the next one I want to talk about is our company's marketing strategies. So basically, in these years, we focus on the Asia, like especially in Japan, the Nikko company, and Korea, because we have the exclusive agent in Korea. So we can adjust our machines design based on your customers' requirements, and our machinery is can provide high performance with a better price. Yes, we have the most professional team and workshop to make sure our machine the performance of our machine is better than than the others in the same price level. Yes. And here the last one is the contact information. So if you have an interest or you want an inquiry, you can scan the code and send out to get more information. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Andrea. So I noticed that there is some questions already raised in our chat. So maybe I can help you to solve these problems. So one audience mentioned that film and paper laminator, which one is better? And can you answer it right now, or you want to answer it after your presentation?
After the presentation,
yeah. Okay. And also they ask how to deal with the consumables if I need to fix it. I think they want to express if the consumables and the spare parts is getting older and they need to be fixed. So how do you deal with it? It's mainly about the after sales service. So maybe you can solve them after your presentation. So now everyone, if you are looking at our live show and the live stream, please finish the poll. Please help me to finish the poll.
For the second question, I can reply now. Yeah. So if the spare parts need to be fixed or need to be replaced, then there are two ways we can solve this problem. The first one is you can have a video chat, video record with our engineer, and we can know which part is needed to be replaced, and we will send the parts to your country, and help you install it by video meeting. That's the first solution. And if the problem is really complex, then it's all right. It's okay. Our workers, our experts can go to your company to help you solve this. Yeah, by himself.
Yeah. Okay, I got it. Yeah, I think that's a great sub problem that may solve a lot of pain point. So thank you, Adrian.
Thank you.
So thank you for your time. Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Yeah. So now everyone, let's welcome the next exhibitor. So I want to announce that all of the above is related to the Sino folding cartoon. So now let's walk into the next section. It's more about the PECCON, the food container products, sessions. So the first I would highly recommend is called Zhejiang Discover Machinery Manufacturing Company. So Zhejiang Discover Machinery Manufacturing Company was founded in 1998. It's a professional manufacturer of paper cup machine, paper bowl machine series of machinery equipment, such as a national high-tech enterprise. So let's welcome Nick from Discover Machine to have a speech. Hi, Nick, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yes, very clearly.
Oh, so I can start.
Yeah, are you free to open the camera?
One moment.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Can see me, right? Oh.
Mhm.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself and our company. First of all, sorry, one moment.
Nick，那个幻灯片放映那边。
对，上面那个挡住了，稍等一下。Okay, first of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Nick. I'm from Discover Machinery. As you know, we produce paper cup, paperboard machines. And please allow me to give a brief introduction to our factory. We are a factory in Jiaxing, and maybe many of you don't know which this city is because it's a small city. It's just in the middle of Shanghai and Ningbo. It's most two biggest port from China. We are just in the middle. So our company is for paper cup machines. This is a picture for our main product. Like you can see, this is a paper cup machine, and we have also other machines which will co-work with paper cup machine, like the inspection machine and packing machines. Our company is started a business since 1998, but at the beginning, it's not the paper cup machines. We started paper cup machine produced since 2004, so it's almost like 20 years. This is a picture of our workshop. Right now, we have a factory workshop like with a square meter, almost like 20,000 square meters, and we have 200 people working in this company, including this. There's more than 30 people is technical R&D group, and in total we have 40 more than 40 mechanical machines. Most of them are CNC machines. Here I want to explain what we can do for our customers. First of all, most importantly, of course, we supply paper cup machines, not only paper cup, paper balls, paper buckets. We supply machines, and we can design. Secondly, we design the products for our customers. Some of the customers, they may be interested in paper cup producing, but they don't have experience, they don't have samples. So they just need to tell us what size they want to make for the paper cup, like top, bottom diameter and the height. Then we can design and make drawings for the customers. And also, some customers they are interested in this kind of this line of business, but they have no experience. What we can do is we help them to prepare the factory setting up, like what machines and how many machines they will need for starting the paper cup production and what kind of material they will need. And of course, we can also plan, make the layout, make a plan for their factory. As I know, this meeting is mainly, the clients are mainly from Southeast Asia countries. And for this market, as we know, in the past previous like 10 years from China, there's already more than 20,000 sets of paper cup machine has been sold to these countries. But most of them are the old technique, the slow machines, kind of every minute the speed could only be like 40 to 60 pieces. So we think Southeast Asia market is very potential, and just like in China, in the future, these slow machines will all be replaced by the medium speed and high speed machines, which is just our strong point. In the previous several years, our sales has been increased every year. And right now we have sold our machines to 20 more customers from like Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, of course, India. And total like more than 300 sets of machines. But we think we still have big potential and opportunity to make this more, because we think this market, Southeast Asia market is so big, and it's already been the biggest trading partner to China, and compared to the whole potential of the market, what we have done is just nothing. So in the future, we want to what we want to do to this to increase the sales and seeking more opportunities in this market. We have below plans. First of all, we are building a new factory. We are building a new factory, and the whole factory will be more, like 22,000 square meters, and it's a smart factory. When it's done, annual production ability of our factory will reach to 1,200 sets of machines. Right now, our annual production ability is just like only like 400 to 500 sets of machines. And secondly, what I want to say is we, since so many years experience in paper cup machine production, we have prepared us very well in technology and R&D. I want to give some examples here. As you can see, these pictures from the first one is, you can see these cups are square ones. It's kind of new things we have done in last 2 years. And the second one is, this is a KFC bucket. And this is also one of our products. It's the whole volume of this cup bucket is 10 liters. So it is still the biggest bucket paper cup container in China market. And the third one, you can see it's a paper lid. Different from the normal paper lid that we have patent on this one. And its shape is very unique. And for these three examples, I just want to say that we have invest and pay so many attention to R&Ds and the new products. And hope this we can have more business partners who have interested ideas of paper cup business. As ending for this introduction, I want to say we are very confident, and we hope to have opportunities to work with any customer who are interested in paper cup business, and together I think we will have a much more bright future. Okay, thank you very much. Here is my WeChat QR code.
Okay, thank you, Nick.
And,
I think you can give
one more thing, please.
Yeah,
Let me.
Please.
I have only a PPT here because the time is lagged, and please, you can find my YouTube. If you search my name on YouTube, you find my channel. You can find all the videos about our factory and the machines. Okay, thank you very much.
Yes, I think you can give a few seconds for your QR code so that all the audience can scan it. So
No
thank you for Nick from Discover Machinery Company. So I noticed that there are several questions already raised in our Q&A box. So yeah, I will raise it to you.
Okay.
One audience mentioned that is your company's after-sales service guaranteed in Thailand?
Sorry, pardon? What kind of?
They mentioned is your company's after-sales service guaranteed in Thailand?
I don't want to say guaranteed, but you know, this is recent 2 years because of the COVID. But before the COVID, we always guaranteed the after-sales service. We will send our engineer to every customer from every country as long as they bought our machines. So right now we have 2 engineers outside China, but in these 2 years, it's kind of more difficult, you know that.
Okay, yeah. And another one says, how many colors you offer design machine? I think they want to, he or she want to ask how many color about your cup design machine. So how many colors you can offer?
Color, normally all color is just one machine. We have only one color. As you see from my PPT, our company main color is the orange one. But
Okay.
If the customer have a special request, we can do that. Any color is okay.
Okay,
This
I
is
got it.
this is no big problem.
Yes. Okay. So I think you can solve a lot of problems. Okay. So thank you, Nick. Thank you for your presentation. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Okay. So. Okay, thank you all. This is a great presentation from Nick. So now let's welcome the next exhibitors from Delex Technology. So Delex Technology dedicates in the molded fiber industry with integrated one-stop solution service, including packaging design, raw material, tool, and equipment manufacturing. So now let's welcome Cindy from Delex Tech to have a speech. Okay, Cindy, can you hear me?
Yes, hello everyone. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, very clearly.
Okay. This is Cindy from Deluxe, and first of all, I will share with my presentation with you. Just wait a moment. Can you see the page?
Yes, yes, please go ahead. Yes.
Okay. Somehow it cannot. Okay, now I go to the second page, which is today my topic to share with you. That the topic is seizing the opportunity of pop molded product market. And as you can see from the cover photo, that there's several pop molded product like a cup lids and some case which was using our technology to come up this fiber-based packaging. And first, I would like to introduce our company, Deluxe Technology Group, have been developing this eco-friendly packaging for more than 20 years. And we focus on pop molding technology like our equipment, tooling, and also the product itself. And we have provided our service to the customer from Asia, Europe, and North America. So at this moment, we have around 50% of our turnover is based on our machinery, and another 35% of our revenue is pop molded product, and the other 20% is tooling revenue. So overall, our group is mainly located in China. We have around 500 employees, and we have owned around 127 patents, which is about our machine and our tooling. So to develop eco-friendly packaging, actually, it's involved a lot of technology behind. We start from our core value is the tooling and the machinery. And focus on this core value, we also develop the fiber-based material, and also the processing, and also the product design itself. So you can see in my page that these are all I call it the value chain for developing a good product for the end customers. So we have been combined for the past 20 years, combine those technology together to help our global customer to make the pop molded product to come true, to really go into mass production with a very competitive cost. So this page is showing up our factory located mainly in China. From the north, near North Korea, there's one factory which is doing food packaging. So here mainly we do the food packaging for exporting to Europe and America. So those food packaging have been already used by IKEA, Burger King, and McDonald's in different markets. And secondly, we have another factory in the middle of, which is pretty near Shanghai, located in Changzhou. This is our machinery factory and also our R&D center. So mainly we produce our machine in this factory. And in Chongqing, we have another factory which is focused on doing the dry pressing product for the customer like HP and Microsoft. They are using pop molded product to be the packaging inside the box to protect their product. And in the south part, we have another tooling company which is mainly produce the tooling for our machine and for our end customer to change their tooling on the machine. And besides those factories, we have office in Shanghai, in Taipei, to also our service hub to send out the engineer to the different countries to do the after service. Here today, I've been list out the past 2 years. We have some of our projects which have been commissioning in different countries in Asia. We can see that in Malaysia, last year, we have been finished 2 projects. One is in Kuala Lumpur, one is in South Malaysia. We send out our machine, also help our customer to coach and training our customer and help them to do the mass production of a WEPACK product in Malaysia. And also this year in first quarter, we also help our Chinese customer to do the expansion of their factory in Vietnam. We send out several automatic pulp molding machines to their factory in North Vietnam. And we also have in 2020 and 2021, we have 2 projects happening in Japan. Our customer have also installed our automatic machine and also our ring cut machine in Japan to do mass production for cosmetic packaging. And this year, we still have one ongoing project located in Taiwan, where they are making a food packaging factory in the central of Taiwan. So I would like to share with you one of these good case. This one is one of the case we have been doing installation in Southeast Asia. You can see from the photo, this was we are doing the installation and also acceptance in our customer side. So like this case, the project scope is we send out from China, send to Southeast Asia 4 set of pulp molding machine, and also die cut machine, ring cut machine, and also the pulping system. And then customer can do with our engineer on site, they do the installation within 2 months. And then with this scope of machinery, we can expect our customer can bring the market size. The yearly capacity is 720 tons output per year. And then the potential turnover is around 11 million US dollars per year. So what's the difference from Deluxe with the other competitors? I think the main difference is that we have very strong R&D team. Around now, we have 66 engineers, which they are focused on the research and design for raw material and then forming machine, our tooling, and the fiber product design, and also automation production line together. So we have those different kind of knowledge combined in-house together to help our customer to come up with the final total solution, which is very different from our competitors, because most of the competitors in China, they either have the capacity to make machine, or they either have their factory to make tooling, or some of the factory they can only do mass production, but they are in lack of the knowledge of making machine or making their own tooling. But Deluxe team is pretty different, that we have our advantage that we have those strong R&D team in-house. So we can really combine and synergy all the technology together. And we also do a lot of customized solution for different customer in different global market. So mainly we will, in the beginning, we will understand what's customers' target output per year and what's their target market or target product they want to deliver, and then what's the size of their factory, and their capacity, then we really make involve with our customer together in the beginning from the factory layout till the mass production. All the process, we are all engaged together with our customer. And with all those R&D team, together with our customer, we can find the best solution and the best customized design for our customer. I would also like to highlight some of our innovations with our technology. So here in the photo, you can see that the last machine can make the product, which is really like the traditional rigid box, but this is made by the process of forming of the pulp into the pulp molded product. And at this moment, our machine already can manufacturing the product which nearly to the 0 degree taper angle near 0, which is also a very successful experience that in 2015, we have already passed the acceptance of Apple company. So our machine also help our customer to win the most of the orders from Apple iPhone packaging. Due to our machine, the yield rate can nearly match to 98% of yield rate. So this is the reason why make our customer competitive. And meanwhile, with our machine, it can also come out the very good quality. Like you can see the box is very smooth surface. And then it's also have no powder issue like the traditional dry press, which when you touch with your finger is very easily dropping the powder. But with our technology, there's no issue with the powder issue. And also we can meet the 0 degree draft angle, and it's almost it's almost can replace the traditional rigid box. So here I list some of our foaming machine, which is all automatic pulping machine. And with those machine, you just need to change the different die into the machine. Then you can come up with the food packaging or the high-end packaging for the electronic use. And then my next topic is that I would like to share with you the pulp molded product market trend in Asia. As we know that plastic and EPS brings many environmental issues to at this moment. So many consumer global leading brand, they are looking for the alternative solution. And I believe that the pulp molding product actually is one of the best choice at this moment. And you can see here is the data shared by Smither consulting firm. They have been making a report to estimate till 2025, there's a lot of growing in this market, especially in China, India, Japan, and other Asia, which might have a lot of growth. And to check about the category of the growth, and then what fiber product can be used. And mainly is the traditional part is the egg tray and the fresh product. This we can call it as a normally used dry press as a traditional way. And the most of the high value trend, you can see I make a red circle. It's a food service and a durable goods. Here is mainly the focus area which Deluxe can provide the best technology. So here I also list some of our good case which we have been launching in the global market together with some leading brand. First, you can see in the left hand there's a Sony PS4 and Sony earphone, which the packaging was also produced in the past 2 years with deluxe machine and deluxe tooling. And then in your right hand, you can see the HP notebook and also Xbox packaging. This also it's from deluxe production factory. And in the middle, you can see the food packaging of the pulp molded coffee lid. And actually, this lid is 100% made by Bagas. It's 100% fiber-based product which replaces the traditional plastic cup lids, and also can meet the criteria from our Japanese customer. You can find this in a Japan railway station now. And I also put some of the other photos, which is also manufacturing in Southeast Asia. As we know that a lot of supply chain is moving outside of China to other Asia countries. So those packaging also start to make in different countries in Asia, like a Sonos packaging, Dyson, and Samsung. Those packaging, pulp molded packaging is already make mass production in different countries. Which also some of them are using our forming machine. And also for the food packaging, deluxe technology also involved for the production for McDonald's ice cream, the Santa cup and lids. And also some of the supermarket, you can start to find the meat tray also change from EPS to this fiber-based packaging. So I hope some of these cases can also help you to rethink what can be the next market in your country. And here is the next trend is cosmetic and or living goods products. Let's call it living goods packaging. They are going to combine with the traditional printing technology, and also in the pulp, you can put the different colors to make a lot of customized packaging. And also with the tooling, you can do the different surface and emboss. And different kind of innovation is coming soon. So I would like to read up that Deluxe is providing the total solution for the global leading brand to help them to find a solution for eco-friendly and energy-saving product. We will keep focused on the biopulp, innovative manufacturing, machinery and tooling, and the intelligence manufacturing to deliver the green product together with our customers. And we hope that we think the market is super big and it's really growing much faster year by year. And we are looking for the global alliance, our partners together to help us together to grow together in a different country, different market. Here I've posted, you can add me by WeChat, Line or LinkedIn. I hope if you have any question or if you want to know more detailed information, please welcome to add me. Thank you a lot.
Yeah, thank you, Cindy. Okay, I will. I think you can give us a few seconds for our audience to raise the questions. And I already noticed that there are a few questions already raised in our Q&A box. And one of them has been solved by your colleague. So that's a great question. So the one audience says, can you do in regular size on vegetable box? Yes, okay, this problem is already been solved. And another one says that there are strict rules in Belgium. So how's your green solution? Oh, yes, I noticed that before we launched our online roadshow, we received quite a lot emails from the Belgium, from the Netherlands. They mentioned in Europe, they have very strict rules on the green solutions. So maybe that there is a quite problem for the Europe market. So now everyone, if you are looking our live stream, okay, now we'll start the pause. Please help me to finish it. Okay, so the questionnaire will be, do you think which industry will be main growing demand for pulp molder products in your local market? Yeah, I think different market maybe have different problems. So please help me to solve it, to finish it.
Okay.
Okay, so thank you again for Cindy thank you Cindy for presentation. Yeah, thank you for your time. Okay, I will leave for.
So I can answer the question by typing, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for your time. Thank you. Okay, so I will leave a few seconds for our poll. Please finish it, and for vote your preferred featured answer. Okay. Okay. So now let's welcome our next exhibitors, next suppliers. Okay, so the next suppliers were from Wenzhou Qichen Industry and Trade Company. So Wenzhou Qichen will focus on the grain industry, manufacturing the equipment for food packaging containers, such as paper cup machine, paper bowl machine, paper lid machine, box folder gluer, cartoon indirect machine, and so on. So now everyone, let's welcome Jason from Qichen. Okay, Jason, can you hear me?
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Jay. Thank you, WEPACK exhibition. Thanks for your excellent works to bring me such a good opportunity to meet all of you here online. So my name is Jason. I'm so glad to introduce my company and my goods to you here in next 4 parts. Just wait a minute, let me show my desk. Okay, so can you see these the PowerPoint?
Yes, please go
on.
Okay,
good. Okay, so my name is Jason. I'm very glad to introduce my company and my goods to you in next 4 parts. Okay, so let's go to first room about us. So who are we? Our company name is Wenzhou Qichen Industry and Trade Company Limited, located in Wenzhou, China, specialized in manufacturing food package machinery. As the holder said, we make paper cup machine, we make paper lid machine, drum roll machine, paper bowl machine, and some other related equipments. And we have developed a complete supply chain from research and development, pre-sale service, production, quality inspection to after-sale service. Our products comply with CE quality standard, well sold to South America, Asian, Middle East countries, Europe, Africa, and other countries. So based on the customer-centric concept, we provide not only the products and the solutions. Quality for survival, science, and technology for development as a business philosophy. And in order to adapt to the development of the market, we continue to innovate, give full play to their technical expertise, developed a variety of paper container equipments, customs production according to all requirements from clients with different specifications for the machinery. So as I introduced just now, our main products are paper cup machine, paper bowl machine, paper lid machine, and paper cutlery production machine. So I just want to take cups for example. As I know, here some manufacturer for cups or the traders here. So maybe you are the professional or maybe you are new in this business. So I'd like to show you the one cups. So do you know how to make a paper cups? Here is a photo, the whole line for paper cups making from different machines. So first of all, I just give some information about the cups or how to make the cups. Okay, so first of all, you have to get one paper roll. That is the raw material. And the next, we need printing machine for colors and designs printing. And after that, the die cutting machine will work for the fence cutting. When you got the fence, and you can use our paper cut machine to form the cups. So until now, we have got what we need, a paper cup. And the next, if you can use packing machine for cups packing, it will be a fully automated production process. So next, let me show you our 4 pieces main products: the cup machine, bowl machine, paper cutlery machine, and paper lead machine. So there are some machines details for your reference. The first is our OC12 model medium speed paper cut machine. Its working speed is 70 to 80 cups per minute. So our OC12 open cane paper cut machine features advanced design and intelligent program with a competitive price and with accurate machine working steps. So here I prepare one video which is from my customer's factory. So you can check the video first. So in this factory, here are 20 sets medium speed paper cut machine with 5 packing machine, printing machine, as well as die cutting machine. All machines are running automatically. And as you can see, here are less workers, only 6 persons for cups transportation and typing and packing, with 2 technicians for all machines maintenance. So in this way, the owner of the factory can save the cost a lot from the labor. Okay. This is a nice video, huh? So here is one question for you next. So do you think how much will be for the machines? And you can see from the top right corner of your screen, here's a multiple choice questions. And you can choose from A, B, C, D, and you can choose a correct answer. If you want to get if you can get it right, then you will receive a gift with $2,000. Okay, so do you get the answers? Do you get the questions? Okay, so if you get the right answers, you will get a gift worth $2,000. This is very big gift. Okay. So next, let me introduce you another machine. This is our high-speed machine. The GH980 model. This question is for the last machines. Okay, so everybody can choose the answers what you want. So if you get the right answers, you will get a gift for free, and the gift is worth $2,000. Okay, so let's come to the new machines. The next GH980. This is our high-speed machine, and the speed can be 130 to 150 cups per minute. And this new design high-speed machine, it is fully automatic running, which can produce different sizes of cups. And because of the limited time, you can get more videos and details after meeting from my email. Okay, so next, the third machine I want to show you is our paper cutlery production line. That is our new machine. This new design model is DCS 520 paper cutlery production line. It can produce paper knife, paper fork, and the paper spoon. As at the samples, I can show you some paper cutlery products. It's different with the normal products. It's made from paper. And it's used multiple sheets of paper with environmental friendly glue or no plastic coated paper. And they are made from hot press, compounded, and punched. The machine is developed by our company through continuously comprehensive technical improvements. Okay, so I also have a video to show you later about these products. How do we use the paper spoon? How do we use the paper, the knife, the fork? Okay, so the last but not the least, here's our paper lead machine, the PL Generation 2 model. The PL02 automatic paper lead machine is the equipment to produce a paper soap lid, the coffee cup lid, and the paper container lid. The lid is made from a disc of paper only, and the machine is easy to be operated with stable performance, high efficiency, advanced technology to save material and cost, which is the first choice of investment business project. So right now, I'd like to show you with our paper lead machine running video. Okay, so this. This video is taken in our factory before shipment. 8 sets paper lead machine are all adjusted well and waiting for loading to Europe countries. Stackable leads with packing machine, easy for transportation and storing. Here are all the paper leads, but with different size. So workers here just need to put the leads into boxes and send them to the stores by chunks. Okay, so now you have no full machines from us. But I think some of you may say, oh yeah, full machines, this looks nice, but how can we make, what we can make? Maybe you have no idea, you just have idea about machine, but maybe you have no idea about what products can be made from our machines. So here, I'd like to show some more photos about the cups and the lids. So let's come to the third part. Okay, the first one is the paper cups. These various sizes cups are all made from our operated business friends. Some are for coffee, some are for cold cola drinks, and some are for hot milky drinks. You can see the sizes from 40 ml to maximum 480 ml. And as for the paper lids, there are also some photos. So nice paper lids matching paper cups have been already the choice of many end users. Actually, many countries have forbidden the plastic material and the plastic goods, especially like in Europe. Therefore, paper lid take the place of plastic lids. Paper cups replace the plastic cups, and we substitute plastic straw with paper straw. Everything seems so taken for granted. So we all know that we need to do something to protect our environment, to protect the earth we live on. So more new paper material appear, like POA, like plastic-free paper, and we have more new products, as I showed just now, like paper fork and paper spoon and paper knife. Also, I have the samples with me here. Okay, so I have one short video for you to show how we use this. Maybe it's a new product for you, so you can see how we use this. The paper spoon for porridge and noodles, like this. And paper knife and fork for chicken and bread cutting. And I have the samples with me. If you need more samples of the paper cutlery, you can contact me after meeting. We can send you more samples for free. So if you are interested in our machine and agreeing with about what I said, you may contact me from the following numbers and email. I wish someday when I got the message from you, happily to read that, you were saying, hey, Jason, thank you for your machine. They're so nice. And our city now not use plastic. Now only paper cups, paper lids, and the paper cutlery, and our surroundings will be better for sure. Okay, so that is all what I want to show today. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Jason. Very good.
Thank you.
presentation. And I noticed that you mentioned a lot of like famous brand that you cooperate with. That's really good. And
Thank you.
I have already noticed that there is a question in the chat box, and one person mentioned that sometimes the temperature is too high. How to deal with the heater? So maybe you can answer these questions after your presentation. Okay. Or
Okay.
you want to just answer it now? That's up to you.
Actually, the temperature is too high. It depends manufacturers, and I'm not sure. I mean, which temperature which machine you are talking about? Is from carbon machine or from what machines? So I need to know more details so that I can answer these questions.
Yes.
So maybe I can after meeting and we can talk like in other like WhatsApp or WeChat. We can talk more details about that. It's no
Yes,
problem.
you're right. If you have such kind of problem, please just contact to Jason directly. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So, thank you, Jason, for your time.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Okay.
Okay. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay, so now everyone, let's welcome to the next exhibitor from Suzhou Yuzhen Technology. So Yuzhen has been devoting itself to the research and development of machine vision system since its establishment. The core team has more than 15 years of industrial experience. With the rapid development of industrial automation, Yuzhen has been helping enterprises save manpower costs and eliminate production errors through continuous innovation, strict cost control, and the technical process, providing enterprise with cost-effective visual automation equipment. So now let's welcome Simon from Yuzhen to have a speech. Simon, can you hear me?
Okay, I can hear. Okay, thank you. This is from Yuzhen, Simon. We are the automatic vision system for the quality inspection. So I want to show our company and some products. So, ，Is okay? You can see my screen. Okay. Let me show. Okay, from here. Our company is Suzhou Yuzhen Automation Technologies. So I will show some our company. Production workshop area, 6,005 square meter. And the number of employees, 1989. This is our office and workshop. And second, I think I want to. This is research and development capabilities. Our technology person, man from Tsinghua University and UESTC. This is famous university in China. I think everyone maybe know this. So, and I will show this. This is our service brands. Such as some is famous in the world company, such as Barry, After, and the Pigeon. This from Japan. So this is introduction. Now I will introduce our products.这个怎么变小？title 这个变小了，怎么变大呀？
你这边要那个幻灯片放映。
对，我要换一个幻灯片。
您看您的上面，就是上方有个幻灯片放映，你看到了吗？
我有个继续共享是吧？
啊。
继续新的部分啊，看到了。
对，你看您的那个上方就开始的旁边有个放映
啊，这个现在可以吗？能看到吗？OK，看一下 ，This is our company customer server 220 every year our MDDs of the products is 316 and successful case 1200. This is company profiles. Our products application area usually we use in medical package and dairy package, and the dairy use chemical, and food packing, wine packing, and cosmetic package. So we usually for the plastic products such as bottle, cap, and preform and cup, and so on products. This is we make the vision system for the products such as water gap, milk bottle, and in-model label preform, and eye jobs bottle, healthcare bottle. We usually check the defects of the products, such as bottle. We can check the roundless and short and flash and burr, and some dirty hole deformation, and for the bottle everywhere, and also serious uneven thickness. This is main technology. We use some station, same station, different light source. So at the same station to take two photos and to check the series uneven thickness. So this is for bottle. I think this is. I think I can see the video. You can see. This is checking the defects. If we found the defects, we will reject the photos, defective photo. Second is for cap. The speed we can from 0 to 300 and 3,600 1 minute. We usually check the black spots, dirty deformation for the cap, such as short, flash and burr, and mold lumber. This we all usually we check this defective for our customer. Feeding connection mode usually use waterfall cap sorting machine, and also for the cap closing machine. Yes, we can check the video. This is for in-mode labeling detection. Usually we check the cup short, flash deformation for the mouse, and also we check the black spots, dirty and foreign material in the cup, and also for the label such as missing label, also label ski unfilled cancer such as this. We check the video. Custom. 有没有感觉卡死了？能看到吗？
可以可以 ，Yes yes, please go ahead. But it's kind of stuck. Maybe we can skip it.
Okay. This is our case for the bottle making machine and vision system, and then we package the bottle. This case show. Okay. This is the for production line. This is the bottle bloating machine, and then we do leak test the machine, and then vision system to check the quality, and then for automatic packing machine. This is we usually design for our customer. This is our AR deep learning. Maybe we have some advanced shares, so I do not share too much. Okay. This is for the surface printing detection system. We check the videos. This machine is for the Starbucks. Okay, next. This automatic detection of the shaped plastic products. Maybe we use some robots to help us check the products. Just like the manual inspection, like this. Check the videos. This is simulate the hand, the people hand. Okay. To take the products from different face. Okay, this is another machine to check the eye jobs photo. This is the successful case in custom site.
Thank you, Simon. I will give you a few seconds for this page, so that everyone, if you are looking our live stream wherever you on the WeChat, on the LinkedIn, on the YouTube, on the Twitter, or on the Facebook. Okay, so please, if you have any like business requests, please just contact to Simon from Yuzhen. So now, Simon, I noticed that there are some questions in the Q&A box, and there is a person said how to deal with misprinting and shadowing about milk bottle. So maybe their new milk bottle have some problems.
This is, I think it's easy for us to check the defects, but you know, there is different bottles and the bottle shape is different. It's hard to say. We usually make the machine according the customer requirements and according to the shapes. So I think maybe you can send me the photos, and then I do some tests or I give you solution. This is better.
Yes, that make a lot of sense. Yes, especially you do this kind of business, we need pictures to figure it out. So if you raise this question, sir, please just contact to Simon. Okay. So thank you, Simon. Thank you for your presentation and thank you for your time. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
So hi everyone, attention one more again. So thank you for your time today, and I am really appreciate that. Thank you for your participating. On behalf of Reading Exhibition and the WEPACK show, to say thank you for participating. So I would say today's online roadshow it was just warm up activities event. For our really WEPACK show, which will be launched in the July 13th to 15th. So everyone, see you then. See you on our WEPACK show. See you on our online Sino corrugated cells and online Sino cartoon. Thank you for your time. Okay, so everyone, bye-bye. See you there.